Jesus' mighty name we have prayed.
Amen. Of the Actors Guild of Nigeria, ABC, we're going to move. We're borrowing buta. We're nanya. Because one of the onyo to gindi. We're battery yourself in marker. Try, Chifimo. You have tried so much. The kwacha ma rice, ma tomato, ma mmiri. Iwenye 300,000 naira to Ngozi Oluhara. Chai, wesi no ka ha no ga adi. Ai na se diki lere anya ebere. Wele nwanya. Ude godo to a. We bia we gbakuru ya no no do to a. Ai na se ka Chineke onye pụrụ ime ihe niile lekwata gị n'ezinụlọ n'otu n'otu. Chekwa your career. Na-echekwa gị n'ọpụpụ gị na mbata gị.
My name is Akunebu Ajo, Smart Platinum Nigeria Company Limited. Anything you have to assist to make sure we save life, please do it.
My name is Lonjono Sano Kute. Because I am begging. We still need some amount of money for her to prepare for the operation. So we are begging everybody. No amount is too small. This account number now that you are seeing on the screen. We are displaying the account number. You are seeing it now. Please, whatever you have, don't give to me, but send to her account direct.
My chair. When you make a duty, when you check it in a kind of what under the happy lemo. Senamaga, I will not die. I got my own chief mourner. I got my own naga. I know what I could amaga survive with that. My give my Thanksgiving. Run a chief or run a horn. Nancy Chifimo. Because if I'm expecting here again, you know, man, or got one more. And when I some Chineke, when you make it here, say Bapata, you're watching magic or magic. A guy with you, a guy can't come home more. Or I got a passage. Or I'm not, I got a passage. I got a passage, little Nana. And you go black and stay go. Chineke was I'm a new reason. The thing is, very soon. I'm a winning book, but I have a traditional wedding. It's good about him again. You can't get your carama, traditional. Amen. That's the spirit of faith.